Good morning. My name is Ali Boudiaf, and I'll be presenting the ultraviolet respiratory protection mask. And this is my story. There's no sound.
Engineer. I discovered Lisbon 2 years ago, and I fell in love with this city. So, I decided to move and enjoy life in Portugal. I also decided to go back to school and do the Lisbon MBA. Then, COVID-19 hit in March, and I found myself locked. Life has suddenly changed.
Globally, we may be still nearer the beginning than the end of this pandemic, but we are continuing to see the rate of healthcare worker and nurses infections rise and to receive increasing reports of the deaths of nurses.
Recent studies have shown that COVID-19 virus is airborne. It can travel up to 8 meters, carried by droplets. When a person sneezes, surgical masks can't filter particles smaller than 10 microns, while the size of the COVID-19 virus is about 0.1 micron. Olivier and I decided to put together a team of engineers, dentists, medical doctor, and pharma marketer to come up with a new solution. And we created the ultraviolet respiratory protection mask, which I am going to present to you.
All right, I hope you recognize the character. It was me. So the three features of this product are instant inhaled air purification based on ultraviolet LEDs, real-time monitoring using IoT sensors to monitor the physical characteristic of the patients, and a reusable mask that has an ergonomic design. Plenty of articles have been already published regarding UVC, and this is the design of the mask. It has two pieces, and the value proposition is that we provide the smartest way to keep you safe with no waste. We 3D printed the proto for less than 40 euros. The weight is less than 50 grams, and we believe that the production cost can be drastically reduced. We tested it with a nurse, and she liked it. She says there's no fog on the glasses so far. We believe there's a potential market for non-disposable protection masks in the medical applications. Right, so next one. So why are I doing this? We do this because we care. We would like to provide healthcare workers with a highly efficient respiratory protection mask, and we believe we can do this better than the disposable masks. We are a small startup so far, 2 business partners. We are both PhDs in microwave and optoelectronics with more than 20 years of industrial experience. We are at the early stage. We are bootstrapping. The business model is medtech, B2B and B2C. We are working towards the first milestone to create a viable prototype and a solid business plan. And we started the French patent applications. So that's it for my presentation, and I will finish this by putting the mask so you can see how it looks like.
Thank you so much, Ali. Lights, do you?
I don't know whether this works. So thank you for the presentation, very good one. And I hope it's not going to be needed as much, not because of you, but because of everybody else. I have 1 or 2 quick questions. So first one is, why is it needed all these IoT things and sensors?
Because we would like to monitor the health worker when she wears the masks, especially measuring the oxygen level in the blood, in case after a prolonged time of using this mask, there's less oxygen getting into her system. So it's a way of keeping the health worker under good conditions.
So I'm sorry for my ignorance, but you can measure the level of oxygen within the blood through the mask?
There's a small electronic device called oximeter. It's a diode that emits a signal, and we measure the reflection on the skin, and it will give us the
I think I have it here.
It works on the hand or on the finger. It's just a matter to put that device close to a vein that can detect the signal.
Thanks for this. And what is your IP protection for, intended? The IP protection, intellectual property protection, that you said that you're preparing an application in France?
Yes, we are using an innovative approach on how we use and bias the ultraviolet LEDs inside that assure that it is killing the virus. So it's a new way of using the LEDs inside the mask. That's the part we are trying to patent.
No more questions. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Pedro wants something.
Thank you so much.